Wow. 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 No way. I love it when my challenges meet. You're not going to believe who partnered. Ripple and Stellar. My apologies, not Ripple and Stellar. Ripple and Solana have partnered, guys. Ripple Solana partnership. You're not going to believe this. This is amazing because I love it when challenges meet. You guys know I started talking about XRP on this channel in 2017. And I also issued a 10 Solana challenge. And I'm here to tell you, and I got another bold prediction on Solana. But this is the news coming out today. Right now, Big BG is due to speak at Davos on 119. Keep your eye on the price. I equals 9. The I over begins is 11. That's 9, 11. Mirrored. Remember the bearable guy, the mirrored bearable guy, 11, 9. Remember, the 5th of November. 11.5 equals 119. Big BG is speaking at 119. Shout out to the real BAM XRP. Hey, I love the bearable guy stuff. It's all about having fun. Just trying to stay focused and keep it fun. Bam, loving it. The real BAM 8. Way to go on that one. Guys, the huge last night on live stream they would not stop talking about Casper. And now I kind of see why. Because on our podcast, I actually dropped Casper Part 2 and Casper Part 1. So basically, I did 2 deep dives on Casper. I was so bullish on it. Here it is, Casper Crypto Hidden Gem Part 1. And I was so bullish, I went back and did a Part 2. Completely different information. And I'm here to tell you guys, Casper is a hidden gem. And it's on fire. And it's pumping 16%. The price is 0.03 right now. Looks like we're not going to get into the numbers and data right now, but I will link my podcast in the description if you guys want to check out Casper Part 2 or Part 1. It's actually a video episode too. I just checked it out real quick. I'm kind of curious. Also, here it is right here. I checked my Uphold account, and what did I see? OMG. I kind of remember now. Casper started pumping. Uphold listed it. They announced staking rewards for Casper. Casper was a big deal. I remember big time partnerships with Casper. I'm just kind of
end-to-end means from the
overview. Looks like Casper Network overview. Looks like we did a hell of a deep dive. Casper Labs is building a POS blockchain to help from Ethereum's. Looks like we got, so it wasn't even planned in the video. But like I said, I will link my podcast in the description. You guys check it out. HODL Model has been on fire with the news lately. I got this article from HODL Model. Ripple partners with Solana to promote crypto-based solution for climate action. And I did verify this article on CoinDesk also to make sure it was legit, because I was like, no way. Because guys, you know we did issue the 10 Solana challenge, 10 for 100. It shot at 260 per soul. One of the biggest calls in crypto. The size for 100K for $100 in Matic. You could have got $100. You could have got 100K Polygon for $100 when I issued that challenge. The Ripple. The partnership resulted in the launch of, excuse me, an NGO leveraging crypto-based initiative to combat climate change. Ripple, the American technology company in charge of Ripple blockchain, has partnered with the Solana Foundation to promote crypto-based initiative for climate action. The partnership, which also involved the Global Blockchain Business Council, GBBC, resulted in forming a new non-governmental organization dubbed Blockchain X Climate Leadership Network. Blockchain X RP, baby. GBBC is one of the top global blockchain focused industry associations. The formation of the BXC will mark the start of the collaborative efforts between Ripple and the Solana Foundation to promote excuse me, my apologies, to promote the use of crypto-based solution to address climate change. And this was the blockchain entity announced the launch of this at the ongoing World Economic Forum, which Brad Garlinghouse is there right now. Guys, I'm telling you, like I said on last night's live stream, I clearly believe that The FTX debacle has brought crypto to an all-new price and all-new opportunity. 2023 will be the biggest year in crypto. 2023 meeting in the Swiss city Davos, according to CoinDesk, which first reported the development of this today. I'm actually glad I went farther because I did verify this from the CoinDesk article when I read this. Solana Foundation, Ripple, and others form partnership to promote crypto solutions for climate change. Yeah, let's see key members at the panel. Who we got here on the key members? Okay, Ken Weber of Ripple. And it's going to be from members from what? Left to right, left to right. So this must be Ken Weber right here. Ken Weber from Ripple. And who's representing Solana? Ripple, and let me see, members. Left to right, Dave Ford, Ken Weber, Ripple, Climate Initiative, Gregory. I don't see nobody from the Solana picture. Solana Foundation and Ripple partnering. Bam. So there it is right there. And I might have looked over it also. I don't know. Let's check one more time. Well, both articles got the reference to Ripple and Solana. But Solana is a big deal. Solana is the blockchain built for mass adoption. Pretty much, guys, not even 9 hours ago, over 1,000 likes, 140,000 views. The passionate Solana developer community remains this ecosystem's most important asset. And I do want to show you guys one thing right here as far as on Solana. And I was correct about this. We went a little bit deeper on the chart last night's live stream. And we pulled up the monthly on Solana, and it dropped under $10 not even a month ago. So $22.93 right now, so close to 23. But if you go to the 1 month chart on Solana, on 12/29, it was $8 per soul. Less than a month later, it doubled in value. That's insane, guys. Solana just getting started. I'm trying to tell you, I would prepare and get ready. So Solana right there, you guys got that. They got a lot of algorithm on their Twitter. They got 2 million followers. Here's the real BAM XRP at the real BAM 8. I will link this in the description. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Also, guys, there's a lot of entities behind the scene that are trying to build their roadways for this asset class. Habu and Solaris introduced Visa-backed debit cards in the EU. So basically, guys, we're talking about the largest payment processors on the planet, Visa, that is all over cryptocurrency. Like I was saying in the live stream also, pretty much the difference from 2017 to now, all the biggest names in the world are to the door of crypto. Visa has solidified a relationship between Habu and Solaris, making it possible for European users to pay from their crypto account utilizing Visa-backed debit cards. Visa has also proposed a self-custody wallet, I bet they have, to allow users to make automatic crypto payments. Visa has joined forces with Habu and Solaris to allow European users to pay for transactions from their cryptocurrency account using Visa-backed debit card. With the emergence of blockchain technology providing different payment options from both traditional and digital currencies has become a priority for many financial institutions. Visa, a reliable pioneer within the digital payment industry, has also adopted this ambition. Buckle up. Guess what, guys? I told everybody after the FTX collapse, and I've been telling everybody 2023 is going to be the biggest year in crypto. Bitcoin has now recovered all its losses since FTX collapse. Bitcoin has held firm over 21,000 for the last 2 days, well above its November price of 20,000. Bitcoin has held steady above 21,000 for the last 2 days, bringing it back above the price when Sam Bankman-Fried crypto exchange FTX began its slide towards bankruptcy. Since Monday, Bitcoin has largely held above 21,000 and well above its November 2nd price of 20,000. The price of Bitcoin jumped more than 22% in the last 7 days, according to data from CoinMarketCap. I'm here to tell you guys, I believe we are definitely just getting started in this new asset class. Here it is right here. XRP Healthcare. says Brazil is ready. Brazil's second largest bank launches first tokenized credit note, XRPL, and XRP homegirl knows. And the reason why is because she knows that Brazil runs on on-demand liquidity. Ripple launches crypto-enabled payments in Brazil with Travelex. Ripple unveils crypto on-demand liquidity service in Brazil. HODL service in Brazil in the partnership with Travelex Bank. Brazil becomes the first to use Ripple blockchain payment. Ripple expands to massive future with the new partnership. So you guys see, Brazil is ready. XP Market provides an organized system of tools and resources designed to make navigating the XRP ledger simple. So if you guys want to find the DeFi wallet to get XRPNet, or actually, really, you can just download the XRPNet wallet. I will have that link in the description. XRPH, you can actually get that on there now also. Well, actually, no, I guess you would have to. No, you would actually have to still send it to that wallet. It holds the wallet. You actually can't get it on there. So this is, you do need these steps. So XRP Ledger simple. Here's xpmarket.com. If you don't have a Twitter, you can just go to xpmarket.com. If you have a Twitter, link in the description. Click that link. It'll take you to this. And this will bring up your exchange, your DeFi exchange for all your XRPL tokens. Actually, I showed you this the other day in the stream. I think the only reason I pulled it up is for the live stream. So I won't go into it too much. But to say you do need the Zum wallet, and you connect your Zum, you hit this connect, you connect your Zum to this, and from there you can get any XRPL assets. As of right now, you can see the Reaper coin just got listed on XRPayNet. XPunk is on here, XR Doge. Here's XRPayNet. It's pumping 1%. And Solo is pumping 7%. It's the #1 XRPL token. Quorum is #2. Casino coin is pumping 18%. Interesting. Reaper coin, Reaper's in the top 10. XPunk is #10. And my top pick, XRPayNet, is in #15. Top 10 incoming. Make sure you guys show some love. Smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. We're 3 for 3. I'm back to dropping daily videos. Thank you for showing some support. Let me know in the comments what you think about today's video. Much love. Mahalo.